Welcome back to the Values Service Summer GarageBand project. This week we're going to be adding the bass to our track. So I'll just click up here to the menu and we've got the bass here. So it's very similar to the guitar, so we can just click up here, which gives us all the different bass options, and we'll stick with the P bass. So we're going to use autoplay again, so we'll just start the track. On number 1. We'll use C and F like we did last week. Okay, so we'll go through a few of these. Great. So I think I like number 2 the best, so we'll record the bass. Okay, push the record button and here we go. Nice one. So we'll just go back to the track and have a listen to that. Great, so that's it for this week. Next week we're going to be adding some lead instruments and looking at arrangement and structure. Thank you very much.